Hi there, I'm Kat Valenti, and welcome to my Mad Fiction Laboratory Patreon. If you're unfamiliar with me, I write fantasy and science fiction books, short stories, and poetry for adults and young readers. Pretty much, you name it, as long as there's a dragon or a robot in there somewhere, I write it. If you're unfamiliar with Patreon, the basic idea is I do things and you give me money so that I can keep doing things. And you can decide whether you want to give a lot or a little. And what will I be doing with your dollars, you ask? Fiction. And a peek into the science behind that fiction. I want to keep making those robots and dragons and robots fighting dragons. But I also want to help you get out there and commit your own acts of fiction for the good of humankind. Because even though the world is on fire right now and everything feels very fraught, life must go on. Stories must go on. The show must go on. One of the best ways to fill a void of uncertainty is to throw art at it. So let's get throwing. So here's the plan. Your dollars will help keep the laboratory running while I do what I do, making stories and books and other assorted wicked schemes. And every month I will post a mad science experiment, a comedic essay addressing some aspect of the craft and business of writing. Characterization, dialogue, world building, marketing, getting an agent, how to be a good panelist at conventions, that kind of thing. For those of you who give a little more every month, there will be beakers full of bonus content, exclusive peeks into what I'm working on that month, Q&As, and chances to be part of the science by suggesting topics, having me read and critique your work, and virtual writing dates, and much, much more. And maybe, if this video goes viral, and the virus I'm working on stays safely contained, there will be even more results from your support, like a podcast, a video series, or hyper-intelligent dinosaurs who will copy edit for tea and belly scratches. Have I said thank you already? Sometimes cause and effect and sequential time can get a little confused here in the lab. Thank you. The lives of artists and mad scientists are often chaotic, unpredictable, and full of explosives. Gratitude is an insufficient word for how I feel about anyone who takes the time and effort to support my work. And I hope the lab can help support your work too. After all, it's an immutable law of the universe that when you combine things that you make and things that I make, you get magic. So let's make some beautiful monsters together. Whew. I can't believe this fun already.